Hello friends, how are you guys doing? Today we are going to analyze Netflix and see what's the best buying price and what's going on in the stock and how to move forward with this. Should we invest? Should we sell? Should we, just avoid it for a while? What's exactly going on in Netflix at the moment? Something interesting which I had recently noticed in this stock, I'm going to share it with you. It's actually trying to move in a channel. Let's see, 1 second. Yeah, so I'm trying to draw a channel here for you guys so that you can understand it better. Yeah, here goes something. Okay, so yeah, so this is a channel in which it's moving. The reason I draw it with you guys, because I want you guys to learn what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, so that it becomes easy for you. And if you observe similar things in different stocks, you'll feel good about yourself and you'll know what the stock is doing, the behavior of the stock, the pattern of the stock. So it's going to help you in a lot of ways. So this is the line it is trying to touch every time over here, and it's showing its resistance for this stock. So the resistance which was broken but did not sustain, so it was a fake breakout over here. It went down again, then it was volatile for a while, and then again it tried to break through this but didn't. Then again it went down near the bottom of this channel, and then again it went up. Okay, so these are the important levels. So it's right now, as you notice, at the bottom of the channel. Okay, it's at the bottom of the channel, and the top of the channel is around 612. So it can go up to 612 according to this channel. So before that, what it has to do, how will it be able to go there? How it can go there, we'll see and decide in this video. um, Now, I'm going to you can note down the levels of the bottom of the channel, which is 492, and the top is near 613, 613. So these are the levels. And now, I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to remove this channel so we can just mark the resistance and support levels. Okay, I love doing this because it really helps me. Okay, let me draw it first. Yeah, the price has taken support over here once, twice, thrice, fourth time, and kind of at the fifth time. Okay, so it was at the bottom of the channel, and now it has again taken support over here. So this is a very good buying level for Netflix if the market stays positive. If it doesn't stay positive, if something goes wrong during the elections, or the it becomes too volatile, then if it breaks this level, then we are going to see some downside. And till where we're going to see the downside, we'll just see right now. The important level which will act as a very tough resistance for Netflix is around 573. Okay, 573 is going to be a very big resistance for Netflix. So if it breaks this, then we can see it going up to 613, which was the top of the channel which we had just drawn. Now let's find out other supports. I can see this as a potential support because it has taken support over here once, twice, and thrice. Earlier over here, as you can see, this was acting as a resistance. It could not cross the level of 394. Now, like, in this region, it had taken, it had broken the support, sorry, resistance level, and which was acting as a resistance. Now it is acting as a support. Once it's broken, and it's acting as a support. So it has taken support over here. So if it breaks this support, it can go up to 394. That's the thing which we have to see over here. And let's see other levels. Yeah, another level is 362, which is a good level. Another level is 339. I don't see much over here. Yeah, this can act as a level. This can act as a small support if we want to. Okay, now let's go to the weekly chart, my favorite chart. Just to mark other, I mean, I'm not saying it's going to come down to 174. I'm just marking the levels so that things become easy for you, you know. Yeah, now this was the level which was acting as a resistance. One second. Yeah. So, okay. Let me just correct the level. Okay, I want to mark it here, I guess. Yes. Yeah, here. That's a good level. One more level is this one. So this is the worst case scenario. It might not happen. I hope it doesn't happen. This is one more level which we can mark. Now let's go to the monthly chart. Yeah, that's probably it. I think we have marked all the levels. So now let's review. So for Netflix, these are the levels which we should look for. Right now, it's at a very strong support. It has shown a lot of correction. It might go up to fill this gap, definitely till 523 if the market is positive. And we have to, move according to the market. So this is very important right now for this stock. And now let's see the Fibonacci retracement and see how what we are getting. Okay, so I'll take this point. Wait a minute, I can take this point. I don't want to take the March one. I'll take the April one. Okay, let's take this the high point, and we can extend it. Yeah, now I've extended it. Stop. Yeah, so I've taken this as the low point and this as the high point. Okay. Wow. Okay, it has retraced to the 50% level from the top. Okay, and it has done it, like, quite often, once, almost a second time, the third time. So this is a very good range to trade in Netflix, from 469 to 573. It's a wonderful range to trade. Another good rate to trade and invest is between 394 and 469. Okay, so if it retraces, it can even retrace up to the 61% level, which is around 444, you can say, to remember 444. So that's going to be a support as well according to Fibonacci, and we have marked the other support levels. I hope you find these levels useful. Now let's see the moving averages where Netflix takes support and how can we go about it. So as you can see, the price the price so the pink one, actually the pink one is the eighth moving average. The purple one over here is the 13 moving average, and blue one is the 20th moving average. 50 moving average is the orange one, and the red one over here is the 200-day moving average. Black one is the 100-day moving average. So it was taking support at the, yeah, sometimes at 8, sometimes at 13, and it was, taking a strong support at 20-day moving average. Then it had broken down the 50 moving average as well, including the small moving averages of 8, 13, and 20. Then it even broke 200 moving day average in March. So it bounced back. It was a good buying opportunity then, where a lot of people didn't buy it, thinking it might fall more. So that's why the levels are most important thing. If you had marked these levels, this would have really helped you. You could have bought here, and you could have, book profit here or here, wherever you possible. So now, like, it was taking support at the, it showed weakness again. It then it took support at the 50 moving average. Again it took support over there at 50-day moving average, and then it went up again, and again it took support at, like, it had broken 50-day moving average over here, and it took support near the 100-day moving average. Now what it's doing is, again it went up. It's a volatile market, uh, and then it took support near the bottom of the channel which we had drawn earlier, uh, and at the 50% retracement level of Fibonacci. But this time it has closed below the 100-day moving average, and it is, not very far away from the 200-day moving average. So if it can take, like, if it uh, goes down from here, so this is one Fibonacci level of 61% retracement, as well as the 200-day moving average. So 540 level is very important for Netflix. So that we have to keep in mind, and it's going to be very important for us to note down this level. Now, it is showing weakness, but it is taking a decent support at 469, and right now it is very near the support, like it's around 486, and it is consolidating for past few days in this range. People are buying it here. 50-day moving average, a resistance, and it's taking support over here. So I recommend, or, like, I should say, I myself do it. I buy near the support with a very small stop loss, so the risk is very less. If you put the stop loss at 460, the risk is less, and it can go up to 570, and if it breaks that, it can even go up and touch the top of the channel which we had earlier made in the beginning of this video live, and it can go up till there, like, 613 level or something. So the levels of the Netflix right now, and if there's a breakdown, it can go up to 394 levels. You can take a sell call depending on your risk profile, and this is all I wanted to tell you today about Netflix. I'll keep coming with the other videos of my other favorite stocks in the US market. I love to analyze this market, and I had a great time analyzing the stock for you. I hope you find these levels useful, and you consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like the video, thank you so much for doing that. And if you like the video, please press the bell icon so that I can bring more such videos uh, every time, like, I come up, because I'm going to post other videos as well. So thank you so much again for coming to this channel, and I would like to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. So if you want to trade or do investing, just consult your financial advisor before, and then you can move ahead and invest in Netflix or any other stock you want. And thank you so much again for coming here. Have a great day.